Hello everyone and welcome back to Anya's channel. If you don't know me, my name is Anya and I do all sort of review stuff, beauty stuff, and I'm planning to add some traveling as well. Now these videos I'm going to be reviewing or trying out the product that they sent me. It is called Comblor. It has so many color insides, and so basically it's a hair color set that temporarily change your hair color, and it's a good try out for me as well because I'm planning to change my hair color. As you can see, the black root is growing out a little bit more. I'm going to be trying out this set and see what color suit me the most. And actually it's so fun in the summer as well to try something like this, especially I live next to the beach, and it would be so fun vibe to have different hair color, like, you know, pastel color, and just skate around the beach. That would be so fun. Anyways, I will try it out. So inside the package, I have 5 hair color set, 1 comb set, comb head, 1 disposal hair dye cape, 1 disposal gloves, and 1 disposal ear caps. I'm not sure why I need ear caps, but we're going to have a look now. Actually, my hair is pretty short, so it's going to be very easy to apply. And I will be doing section by section probably. Okay, let's see how it's going to play out. And oh, I'm sitting behind the bed. Okay, because my hair is very short and I think it's not going to be splashing everywhere. Now let's open. Okay. It smells amazing. I don't know, it should smell like this. It smells like amazing. Oh, smell nice. I like it. I like the smell. It's like a wash hair smell, you know. So inside it has whatever it is, 5 color and 1 comb. So definitely I'm going to be trying out pink and definitely blue, definitely purple. What is this color? Is this red color? I'm not quite sure. Definitely green. So basically every color. Well, yeah, it's gonna be so fun. Oh, I just can't wait. So I will be reading some instruction. I'm not sure if they want me to apply it on my wet hair or just dried hair. So let's have a read and I will come back in a second. The instruction is at the back. Also, by the way, I wear something like this, so I don't have to be worried about the water. So I don't have to be worried about the color getting everywhere. And I don't think I will be wearing the cape, but yes, what is inside? So I believe if you want to wear the cape when you have your dress on or whatever, you can just wear it like, you can just wear it like this. But I have short hair, so I don't think I'll be using that one. This is very interesting. It is ear cap. Let's have a look. I don't think I will be using this one as well. And some gloves. Okay, so before we try it out, let's have a look at their comb first of all. Let's pick one color. Definitely my nails is purple. Let's go with purple. So I believe you just uncap it and put this color on. Okay, and when you use it, there is on and off. Oh, okay, so at the moment it's off, and if you twist it this side, then it is on, if you understand what I'm trying to say, because it's on button here, on. Now it is off. Okay, let's keep it off for now. I really like their comb. Actually, let's try to comb it down. Oh, okay. It's super easy to use. I believe if I just squeeze it and when the color come out, I will just brush it through. Let's have a look. I can't wait to try it. It's going to be so fun. So I believe this type of color is going to be much better than the chalk one, because the chalk one is dry, and when you put like dry chalk on your dry hair, the color didn't develop very well. But this one, for example, it has more like muddy, moisture into it, so it will stick to your hair a little bit better as well, especially when you want to wear it out for a day out at the beach. You want the color that is quite reliable and doesn't come out easily. So I think this can answer my need in the summer when I actually go out on the beach. I can't wait. I'm going to be trying out the product now, and after that I will style my hair, and we will have a look how it's like. So, I think you should wear gloves when you use the product. However, while I'm filming and if I wear gloves, the sound is just very annoying. I think I'm just going to take the gloves off for now. Anyways, it doesn't matter. My hand is very doable. Ah, okay. And the color going to come out now. This is satisfying. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm just going to section this hair and oh wow, color spread it evenly. Can you see it? Amazing. I like it. I think the color will develop a little bit more when my hair is actually drier. It is super easy, like super easy. Just squeeze and comb it down, and I definitely can see the immediate change. Now I have purple hair color. I want to change to different color, but I think if I want to change it, I have to go and wash this off first so the color won't be mixed with each other. Let's have a look if I... Oh no. Okay. For next time. Okay, I'll go and wash this, then I'll come back. I really like the color, and actually it dries pretty quick. And when it dries, you can just... Let me try to brush it with normal comb brush. Oh, it doesn't stick. I have lots of hair there, but it doesn't stick to your chrome, and it's pretty cool actually. Oh my god, I like it. I think you have to be a little bit more generous with the color, so let's do that. Now we're going to do pink. I think the hardest part for me is to go and wash it every single time I change the color. I would just recommend you to, just mix it, mix and match. Mix and match is good. Okay, let's try. I love pink. Actually, I quite like mixed color. This side, the color is a little bit mixed and I quite like it. You probably see it's like highlighting now. Okay, I did so much better with this side. Now what am I going to do is I'm just going to mix all the color around my hair. I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. I think I am really satisfied with the results. Of course, at the moment it's a little bit wet, so I would need to wait till it dries first until I can style it. But I absolutely love it. It's so easy, guys. It's super easy and it doesn't go anywhere. And if you mix all the color, and it becomes so nice. Look at the hair here. So nice. It's just so nice. Like at first I was so afraid to mix all the color, and now I feel like mixed color is actually really nice. And the only color that I don't like is red. There's nothing wrong with red. I just don't like the color red. Yeah, that's it. I will wait until my hair dry and I will show you guys how I can style it. Can't wait. I definitely surprised how easy it is to apply actually. So just to recap, you only need to put the comb on, squeeze the tube and just brush it through. Let it dry and it's done. I also have a promo code for this video and I will put it right here, somewhere here. And also I will put the link down below if you want to follow me and buy the product. It's on Amazon. If you're going for Halloween or for a festival or for a nice beach day out, I think this set really answers your need. So follow the link, use the promo code, and comment down below this video as well. How did I do with my hair? I am absolutely in love, to be honest. Just a quick recap as well. I told you that my root is a little bit black there and the brighter side is on this section. But to be honest, the color blend pretty well. It doesn't matter even though it's different color of the hair, the pigment still shine out even though you have a black hair. So if you are at school or you don't want to change your hair color to be lighter, I think these products really help you comparing to the Shock one or comparing to like other brands that they have to, you know, you soak the Shock and then you use the Shock on the hair. I think this one is much nicer. I really like that there is an on and off. I really like that they have anything you would need in this set. The gloves, the ear cap, the cape to prevent the color on your dress. If you have a long hair, then use the cape, use the ear cap, but I have a short hair and I think it's much better for me not to use glove as well because the sound is just going into the camera and it's just annoying. I just can't wait for the summer and I will be using this product during the summer. Oh my god, that's going to be so cool. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment down below. I will also put the promo code and the link down below. I get this one on Amazon and I think the product price is $29.99, but with the promo code I think you can get a little bit of discount with that as well. Sorry, I'm going to cover my address because I don't want you to stalk me, but it's about £6, so that is about 20%. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you use promo code, if you have any problem, please comment down below or just message me on IG directly and I would try to help you out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you have a nice day later on and enjoy your summer, which is coming soon. Bye guys! Now it's going to be pink. I really want you to see under the sun. It's just so nice.